In this project, let's take you behind the scenes as we install a CCTV system for a factory in Penang. We start by laying the cables, creating a solid foundation for the CCTV setup. Cabling process. Next, we run the cables throughout the factory, ensuring they're securely connected to provide reliable coverage. As you can see, our staff carefully install the CCTV cameras on the ceiling, ensuring they are stable and properly aligned. Stability is a must for continuous, high-quality monitoring. Every camera position is strategically planned to cover all critical areas, giving the client complete visibility and peace of mind. Next, we see our technicians set up the servers. Finally, we configure the server and connect your CCTV system to the cloud and IP network, allowing for real-time monitoring and remote access, giving our client full control and peace of mind.